How to cancel your Milestone credit card. Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Let's start with the video. Go ahead and open up a browser and search for milestonegoldcard.com. So the very common question is how to cancel your Milestone credit card. Worry not, because we have made a perfect guide for you. So following with the first process, that is to gather your information. You have to make a call to the customer service, but make sure that you have access to your Milestone credit card number, your social security number for verification, and your statement to check for any outstanding balance. Now, the second is to contact your Milestone customer service. You can easily get the number in the Milestone customer service portal. Right here, you will find various of articles dealing with such issues. You have to scroll down under Contacting Us, then tap on How can I contact Milestone Customer Service? Right here, it will give you the address and also the toll-free number. You can visit or walk in your nearby branch or just give a call to the customer service explaining why you want to cancel your Milestone credit card. Number 3 is to explain your request. Politely inform the representative that you would like to cancel your Milestone credit card. Following with the step 4, confirm your cancellation details. The representative will most likely ask questions to verify your identity and understand your reason for cancellation. They might also try to offer you a retention deal. This is completely up to you, but if you are sure about canceling, politely decline. Finally, confirm the closure date of your account and ask about any final payment you might need to make. You should receive a confirmation email or letter within a few days. Just remember to pay off any remaining balance before the closing date to avoid any fees. There you have it. This is all for canceling your Milestone credit card in a quick and easy process. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.